So here I am on tiptoes in the second part of awkward pose. I'm holding perfect form and alignment, yet my body is relaxed. My leg muscles are relatively relaxed. My glutes are relatively relaxed. My whole structure is actually loose and relaxed. If I wish, I could just move my arms, keep it loose. I'm loose. If I wanted to, I could come back up and come down again. But it wasn't always that way. I used to really struggle with awkward pose, laying blame on my aging, stiff, inflexible, arthritic hips. But in fact, it was my technique that was holding me back, not my stiff, inflexible hip joints. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your technique. I'm going to upgrade your awkward pose way beyond the standard instructions most of you have heard time and time again. I'm not going to be focusing on body alignment, which in truth most of you already know, particularly if you have been practicing Bikram Yoga for more than 3 months. Nor am I going to be doing a deep dive into the biomechanics, detailing which muscles needs to be engaged. Because although that stuff is interesting, it's not going to improve your yoga practice, because such information will just get you to overthink everything. The facts are that once you have fused into your muscle memory the basic framework of the posture, the next step is to stop barking orders to the body. You have to give the body the freedom to refine and enhance its neuromuscular control without interference from the thinking mind. This step is often never taught. Instead, all you hear is the same basic beginner's dialogue that keeps you in a beginner's frame of mind, where the thinking mind is constantly micromanaging every aspect of what the body is trying to do. The Bikram style of 26 postures is, for me, the best yoga routine ever. But the way it is often taught creates a vast amount of body tension, with teachers telling you to consciously contract the thighs or the glutes and saying lines like a tight body is a light body. The facts are that a tight body is an inefficient body. In order for the body to do awkward pose well, it will need to contract the thighs and the glutes, but not all the thigh muscles and not all the glute muscles. In truth, only a refined selection of muscles need to be firing. A large amount of these muscles needs to be relaxed. You need a fusion of muscle activation and muscle relaxation. That's the yin and yang of movement. When muscles are tight, when they should actually be relaxed, we call that tension. If your shoulders or your neck muscles are tight due to stress, you would complain of muscle tension, and you might book yourself in for a massage to relieve this tension. What you are experiencing is the neurological firing of muscles that should be relaxed. This stress-related tension makes movement a lot harder than it needs to be. Now, here is my main point. If your thinking mind consciously tells the body to contract the thighs or the glutes, the body will do exactly what you ask for, and it will contract all the muscles in the thigh and the glutes. But now you have actively created body tension, adding resistance to your move. And now everything is so much harder than it needs to be. And that's when the injuries happen. Once the body, or should I say, once the reptilian mind and body has fused the basic framework of awkward pose into muscle memory, you have to switch the conversation away from that beginner's mindset to focus simply on being loose, relaxed, and open. And allow the reptilian mind and body to perfect the posture. You didn't micromanage your body when learning to ride a bike. You simply told it not to fall off. With this simple instruction, don't fall off, the reptilian mind and body quickly mastered the act of balance while riding a bike with perfect, relaxed form. Mastering any movement in life is always about teaching the reptilian mind and body the basic framework of what is needed, and then you have to step back, trusting the body to do what it does best, mastering movement without your interference. Okay, it's demo time. When doing this, forget so-called perfect alignment and instead focus all your attention on being relaxed. Pay particular attention to my use of breath. First off, part 1. From standing, exhale, right foot steps out, arms up, parallel. The next step is to pre-open your structure. So inhale, exhale, relax your bum and pull the chest up towards the ceiling to decompress the spine and open out your shoulder sockets, pulling your whole framework open. Having pre-opened your structure, you're ready to go. Then take a deep inhale, and on the exhale, relax your bum down and drive your chest up as you squat down. Once down, pause for your inhale and hold and maintain form. Exhale, relax and pull your structure open. Again, driving the chest up, driving the bum down. Keep everything loose and relaxed. Another inhale, hold form, exhale, relax and pull open. That's the standard breath cycle once you're in the posture. To return, inhale, exhale, relax, and come back up. Second part, you stand on tiptoes. As usual, you have to first pre-open your structure. So take a deep inhale, exhale, relax, and pull your chest out. Drive the chest up, keep the bum relaxed, and open up the shoulders. Then you're ready to go. Take the inhale, exhale, relax, come down, hips forward, relax all the way down, hold it there when you get to the position you wish to get into. Exhale, pull your structure open. Inhale, hold form. Exhale, relax and pull your structure open, driving the chest up, open up the shoulders. Inhale, hold and maintain whatever expansion you've just created. Exhale, release and pull open. When you want to come back up, inhale, exhale. One exhale, all the way up. Now my heart is pounding, so I know that was physically hard. Yet my mind and my body remained perfectly relaxed and calm. So there was no extra stress hormones adding to the mix. So, final part. Again, we have to pre-open our whole structure. So, the arms are up, bring the knees in. First, take a deep inhale, and exhale, relax and open out the shoulders, drive that chest up to the ceiling, keep the bum relaxed. Now I'm ready to go. Take the inhale, full lungs and exhale. One exhale all the way down, sliding down that imaginary wall, then stop short. Do not rest the hips on the heels. Inhale, hold form. Exhale, relax and pull your structure open. Pull the chest out to the sides. Drive the chest up, open out. Inhale, exhale, relax and pull your structure open. Relax and open. That's all your mantra is. Relax and open. Relax and open. When you want to return, take a deep inhale. Exhale, relax, come back up. The more you get into the habit of training your body this way, the more your body will respond and adapt to give you greater flexibility, coordination and control, ensuring all the joints are loose, opened and lubricated. This is how I eliminated my aging arthritic joint stiffness and mobility issues. This is also how many students with joint hypermobility are able to maintain astounding stability and control of their joints without fear of injury. You do have to go through a process of rewiring your motor control to be relaxed and opened. But once done, you'll stop being a beginner and your yoga practice will be so much more fun and rewarding. Okay, that's all I have for today. Don't forget to check out our website for all our online classes, courses and workshops. I'll put a link in the description below, plus links to other videos that will supercharge your yoga practice way beyond a beginner's headspace.